Unearth the chilling depths of ecological terror with our top 10 environmental horror films. From nature's revenge to humanity's downfall, brace yourself for a journey into the darkest corners of environmental horror. Join us as we delve into spine-tingling tales of eco-terror that will leave you questioning humanity's impact on the world around us. Don't miss out on these bone-chilling cinematic experiences. Number 10. The Happening, 2008. Directed by M. Night Shyamalan, delves into a chilling scenario where an unexplained environmental phenomenon triggers mass suicides across the globe. As people succumb to inexplicable impulses, a science teacher, played by Mark Wahlberg, and his companions embark on a desperate journey to escape the lethal effects. Shyamalan crafts an eerie atmosphere, highlighting humanity's vulnerability in the face of nature's retaliation. The film's premise taps into primal fears of environmental collapse, offering a cautionary tale about the consequences of ecological neglect. The Happening remains a thought-provoking entry in the environmental horror genre, stirring audiences with its unsettling narrative. Number 9. The Ruins, 2008. Based on Scott Smith's novel, presents a harrowing tale of unsuspecting tourists ensnared by malevolent forces lurking within ancient Mayan ruins. Directed by Carter Smith, the film follows a group of friends whose exploration of the ruins leads to a nightmarish confrontation with a sinister and sentient plant life. As the vines entangle both their bodies and minds, a visceral struggle for survival ensues against an unseen but relentless adversary. The Ruins deftly combines elements of psychological horror with environmental dread, offering a haunting portrayal of nature's capacity for vengeance against those who trespass its ancient domains.
This one.
Stacy.
No.
Stacy.
No.
Give it to me. Give it
No.
to me.
Number 8. Annihilation, 2018. Directed by Alex Garland, immerses viewers in a mesmerizing and unsettling journey into the heart of an enigmatic environmental anomaly known as the Shimmer. Following a team of scientists, including Natalie Portman's character, the film explores the mutating landscape within the Shimmer, where the laws of nature unravel and give birth to surreal and often terrifying phenomena. Garland masterfully weaves themes of self-destruction, transformation, and the innate human desire to understand the unknown. Annihilation stands as a profound and visually stunning exploration of the beauty and horror inherent in nature's mysteries, leaving a lasting impression on audiences. Number 7. Cabin Fever, 2002. Directed by Eli Roth, thrusts audiences into a nightmare scenario where a group of college friends falls victim to a flesh-eating virus during a secluded cabin retreat. As paranoia and desperation escalate, the group grapples with their impending doom and the realization that contaminated water sources may be the source of their affliction. Roth's visceral approach to horror blends graphic violence with dark humor, intensifying the sense of dread and revulsion. Cabin Fever serves as a cautionary tale about the dangers of environmental contamination and the fragility of human existence when faced with an invisible and insidious threat. Number 6. The Bay, 2012. Directed by Barry Levinson, plunges viewers into a chilling found footage horror narrative unfolding in a small Chesapeake Bay town. The film unfolds through a collage of videos, news reports, and personal recordings, chronicling the gruesome aftermath of an ecological disaster caused by contaminated water. As residents succumb to horrifying symptoms, a journalist investigates the cover-up and discovers the horrifying extent of the environmental catastrophe. Levinson's masterful blend of suspense and realism heightens the sense of dread, delivering a sobering commentary on the consequences of environmental negligence and corporate greed. The Bay stands as a haunting reminder of the perils lurking beneath tranquil waters. Number 5. The Last Winter, 2006. Directed by Larry Fessenden, paints a haunting portrait of ecological horror against the backdrop of Alaska's unforgiving wilderness. As an oil drilling team pushes deeper into the Arctic, they unearth dormant forces that unleash a series of inexplicable and deadly events. Fessenden weaves together elements of supernatural terror and psychological tension, blurring the line between human folly and nature's wrath. Amidst the isolation and environmental degradation, the characters confront their inner demons while facing an external threat that defies comprehension. The Last Winter serves as a cautionary tale about the dangers of unchecked industrialization and the fragility of our planet's ecosystems.
Polak! Resistez, Polak!
Number 4. Birdemic, Shock and Terror, 2010. Directed by James Nguyen, stands as a cult classic in the realm of low-budget horror. The film unfolds in a small town besieged by a sudden and inexplicable avian onslaught, with ordinary citizens forced to fend off killer birds. Nguyen's earnest attempt at horror blends with unintentional humor, giving rise to a unique cinematic experience. Despite its technical flaws and wooden performances, Birdemic captivates audiences with its absurd premise and earnest storytelling. As the feathered foes wreak havoc, the film serves as a humorous yet poignant reflection on humanity's impact on the environment and the perils of ecological imbalance. Number 3. The Day After Tomorrow, 2004. Directed by Roland Emmerich, catapults audiences into a cataclysmic vision of climate change's wrath. As the Earth faces a rapid descent into a new ice age, catastrophic weather events unleash chaos on a global scale. Emmerich's spectacle-driven narrative blends scientific speculation with blockbuster action, depicting the terrifying consequences of environmental neglect. Amidst the frozen landscapes and desperate struggles for survival, The Day After Tomorrow serves as a cautionary tale about humanity's precarious relationship with the planet. With its breathtaking visuals and timely message, the film sparks reflection on the urgent need for environmental stewardship in the face of impending crisis. Number 2. The Happening, 2021. Directed by Koji Shiraishi, offers a chilling exploration of environmental horror set against the backdrop of a remote island. As deforestation ravages the landscape, supernatural occurrences begin to unravel the fabric of reality. Shiraishi masterfully crafts an atmosphere of dread and suspense, intertwining elements of Japanese folklore with contemporary environmental concerns. Amidst the lush forests and ancient ruins, a sense of foreboding pervades, reflecting humanity's hubris in the face of nature's retribution. The Happening serves as a poignant reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things and the dire consequences of ecological exploitation in a world teetering on the brink. Number 1. The Colony, 2021. Directed by Tim Fehlbaum, presents a dystopian vision of Earth ravaged by environmental catastrophe. In a desolate future where the planet's surface has become uninhabitable due to extreme heat, survivors seek refuge in underground colonies. Fehlbaum's film depicts the struggle for survival amidst the harsh conditions and dwindling resources as inhabitants grapple with existential threats both from within and beyond. Through its stark portrayal of a world on the brink of collapse, The Colony serves as a cautionary tale about the urgent need for environmental stewardship and the consequences of neglecting the planet's delicate balance. Thanks for joining us on this thrilling exploration of environmental horror. If you enjoyed our countdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hair-raising content. Remember to tread lightly on our planet after all. You never know what horrors might lurk beneath its surface. Until next time, stay scared and stay eco-conscious.